Robinhood is one of the leading stock trading apps in the US. The company recently filed an initial public offering, and although the app is not yet available in the UK, there's a lot of buzz around it. So we thought it'd be helpful to give you this video guide on what we know about the IPO so far, some stats and facts about Robinhood, and how you can buy shares. It looks like Robinhood plans to launch its IPO sometime in July 2021. The company will list its shares on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol HOOD and plans to raise $100 million, over £72 million from the IPO. Some sources say that the IPO could earn Robinhood a valuation of around $40 billion, roughly £29 billion. Where most IPOs target high net worth or large institutional investors, Robinhood wants to get retail investors, that's investors like you and me, involved from the get-go. The company is launching its IPO Access program, which will allow regular investors to buy Robinhood shares at the set IPO price before they officially start trading on the secondary market. At the moment, IPO Access is only available to randomly selected Robinhood account holders, but the app does plan to roll out the program to all eligible users as quickly as possible. Robinhood plans to set aside as much as 35% of its Class A shares for individual investors on its own platform. In 2020, Robinhood turned a profit with a reported revenue of $959 million. In the first quarter of 2021, the company generated $522 million in revenue, a year-on-year increase of 309%. The app currently manages $80 billion in customer assets for around 18 million retail clients. However, in the madness of January's GameStop trading whirlwind, Robinhood reported a loss of $1.4 billion for the quarter. And a few days before the IPO filing, the company was hit with a $70 million fine, the largest ever imposed by the Financial Industrial Regulatory Authority, for systematic supervisory failures and providing false or misleading information to investors. As mentioned before, US residents with Robinhood accounts could be able to get early access by invitation through the IPO Access program. If you're in the UK and want to buy Robinhood shares, you will have to wait until the shares are listed on the secondary market. If you don't already have a share trading or brokerage account, you'll need to open one. Shop around to find the right one for you and make sure it has access to the Nasdaq. Once it's up and running, add funds to your account. When available to the public, search HOOD to access the Robinhood stock. Select a market order to buy the shares at the prices listed in front of you, or a limit order to automatically buy shares when the price falls between the limits that you have set. As you're trading on a US stock exchange, be mindful of price fluctuations if trading outside of the Nasdaq's opening hours. The final step is to hit buy, and voila, you have yourself some Robinhood stock. For more information on upcoming IPOs and to learn more about investing, head to finder.com. You'll find a whole bunch of useful links tagged in the description below, including a link to our 2021 IPO calendar. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching.